Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can convert to table in your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so they introduced that new feature here on Google Sheets that allows you to convert, for example, a set of data like we see here in that example sheet into a table without creating a new table through the insert feature here at the top. So guys, this is how you can do it. So first of all, navigate to your spreadsheet on Google Sheets and access the set of data you would like to convert. So what you want to do next is simply highlight all columns and rows, or cells in this case here, to highlight the entire set of data. And after that, simply right click anywhere here, and there you go, there's the new feature, convert to table. So what you want to do is click into it, and that is going to convert that set of data into a table. Now you can, for example, rename the table, move it around, edit it, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. Now that's how it works. So you don't have to use that feature here at the top, insert, chart, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.